Look at these names. They all point to the same animal.
But why are there so many names?
Could this cause a problem? Bag, Tora, Onça Pintada. 3 scientists, 1 animal, 3 different names. How will they know they are talking about the same thing?
Look closely. One plant has many local names. Can you spot the problem? What if scientists get confused?
People around the world use different languages. That means different names too. So how can everyone understand each other?
What do you think? Should every organism have one fixed name or many different names? Which idea seems better?
Imagine using these books. The same animal has different names. Would that make learning easy? What would you choose?
Here is our first clue. Scientists use one common name worldwide. No matter where they live. Why would they do that?
Look carefully at these names. Each has 2 parts, not 1. Why 2 words? Second clue. The first word tells us the group. The second word identifies the organism. Together, they give a complete identity. Now another clue. Some organisms share the first word, but not the second. What does that tell us?
Scientists solve the naming problem. They use a system called binomial nomenclature. It means giving 2-part names. One name used worldwide.
In this system, every name has 2 words. The first word shows the genus. The second word shows the species. Together, they identify the organism.
Scientists follow the same rules everywhere. The first word starts with a capital letter. The second starts with a small letter. Both words form the scientific name.
Now you can see it in real life. Scientists, doctors, and researchers use these names. Everyone understands the same organism. No confusion at all.
Let's try a quick activity. Can you spot the 2 parts of a scientific name? Look carefully. You already know the pattern.
Here is a thinking challenge. 2 organisms share the same genus, but their species names are different. What might that tell us? It means they're related but different species.
Like the mango and the fly? Yes, they have a common ancestor.
Imagine a world without scientific names. Would studying living things become harder? Why do you think one global system is useful?